I don't see how you can hate from outside of the club. You can't even get in. Leg out. Yellow model cheese, yellow bottle sip.
Hello and welcome to Cooking with Chemistry. Today we are going to be baking a delicious rainbow cake.
While we make the cake, we will focus on and teach you some very important chemistry concepts.
The first concept is the specific heat capacity of a substance. We will use this when we choose which pan to bake the cake in.
So, Caitlin, why are we using the aluminum pan?
Well, I'm glad you asked, Sam. We're using the aluminum pan because it has the highest specific heat capacity. Specific heat capacity is the amount of heat it takes to raise 1 gram of substance by 1 Celsius. Aluminum specific heat capacity is 0.897.
What a fun fact, but we should get cooking.
Hey Danielle, what's that stuff you're putting in the cake mix?
Oh, this is yeast. It'll help raise our cake in the oven through a process called leavening. Yeast causes a foaming action and releases carbon dioxide bubbles into the batter, which lightens and softens the finished cake.
Why does it do that?
Well, you see, because the yeast is activated with heat, moisture, and sugar that is in the cake.
Well, that's cool!
Okay, so first you add half a cup of vegetable oil.
Then 1 cup of water.
And 3 eggs.
Remember to crack the eggs first.
You just got to take your...
And stir.
Okay, now that we're done stirring, it's time to put it in the aluminum pan. So here.
Alright, I think we're about ready to start baking.
Make sure you get all the stuff in the pan.
Sure. Make sure it's spread evenly throughout the pan as well. Got solid.
Alright, now we're gonna bake.
Wait, Keelan, stop!
Keelan, you can't bake a cake in the microwave
Why not?
because microwaves use a form of heat transfer called radiation.
What's radiation?
Radiation is when energy is emitted as particles or waves. In a microwave, water and other molecules in the food are heated with microwaves, hence the name microwave. This makes it heat the food really quickly.
Okay, well then what do ovens do?
Ovens use a form of heat transfer called convection.
What's convection?
Convection is when heat is transferred through the motion of air or liquid molecules. So in an oven, food is heated by circulating heated air, and that's why you need to use it to bake a cake.
Oh, I see. Microwaves are fast and efficient, but they don't bake food.
Yes. Also, you should never put metal in a microwave. Anything that is metal will create an electric current inside of the microwave, and that's dangerous.
Jeez, sorry.
Okay, enough science. Let's get this cake baking.
Caitlin, stop! You need to use oven mitts.
The hot pan will burn your hands.
Why?
Because of the final type of heat transfer, conduction. Conduction is heat transfer through contact, like when you cook an egg on a pan. During conduction, heat is always transferred from a substance of higher temperature to the substance of lower temperature. The heat in the pan will transfer to your hand because the pan is at a higher temperature than your hand.
Oh, okay. I'm glad you guys have my back.
I got you, Caitlin. Now that you're suited up, let's get this cake in the oven.
Nice work. Okay. Always use those oven mitts.
Yum.
It smells so good.
I know, I'm ready to get this cake and eat it right now.
You can't eat it just yet. We still have to frost it.
Time to put this frosting on. Yeah. Okay, now we're done frosting and sprinkling our rainbow cakes. Now we're gonna get a piece of it
And cut it.
and eat it. Oh,
Oh, it's all rainbows.
even the inside is rainbow.
Can't see that. Okay.
Let's eat.
That was delicious.
For sure, but I think I should be heading home soon. I probably shouldn't have eaten 6 pieces of cake.
Me neither.
Wait, guys, we need to wrap this piece up and put it in the refrigerator.
Why do we need to do that?
Because, Sam, when food products are left out unwrapped, they are susceptible to bacteria and other bad things that you don't want to put inside your body. Refrigeration slows bacterial growth. Bacteria exist everywhere in nature. They are in the soil, air, water, and the foods we eat. When we have nutrients, moisture, and favorable temperatures, they grow rapidly, increasing in numbers to the point where some types of bacteria can cause illness. Bacteria grows most rapidly in a range of temperatures between 40 and 140 degrees Fahrenheit, the danger zone, some doubling in numbers in as little as 20 minutes. A refrigerator set at 40 degrees Fahrenheit or below will protect most foods from bacteria and other yucky things.
I thought it was just to keep the food cold.
Oh, Caitlin.